What do you have in there, bud?
Daddy, I need you to help me. Can you help me? I didn't do it really good.
Talk to your subscribers.
I got big stuffed animal. I got big, giant. Whoa, this is a lot of wrapping things. I got a big, giant jaws. And then I got Rocco's food.
You got some food for you, Rocco?
From my puppy. He's right here.
I think he was scared of you opening all that paper. Go ahead, finish opening up your guy.
Okay. Wait, how do I get him out? Say duh. Wait, I don't know how. I don't know. I got it.
Okay, guys.
I'm still trying to. Got a lot here.
You want me to help you?
No.
Yeah, bring it, Mom. I'll help you. We'll just make one hole for you. Whoa, there's a big shark coming at me. All right, come over here so we can see you. Can't see you over there. This shark's almost as big as you.
Yeah.
What kind of shark is that?
That's Jaws.
It's like Jaws, huh?
Yeah.
That's a great white, huh? You like the Jaws movie, huh? What do you think about your new Jaws?
Yeah, I'm more bigger than it.
You are bigger than it.
Because of my head.
Alright. You got anything else to tell your people? Tell your subscribers? No? See you later.
I got some wrapping paper.
Dang, just being funny. Tell everybody, see you later.